Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI tools for creating websites. As businesses and creators strive to build engaging online presence, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way websites are designed and managed. Join me as I explore the AI-driven tools that streamline the web development process, enhance user experience, and empower you to craft stunning websites with ease. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these tools are set to redefine how we think about building the web. Let's jump right in. Okay, all these things are very simple to use and they are user friendly. Okay, this is an amazing website that I created with an AI tool, which is Spotless Hungry Crocodile, something teleport HKO dot app is already listed, is already published. So we create these websites for free with an AI tool, which is Teleport HQ. So this is totally free, but in some instances, some things you can pay for it. So let's dive in directly. Okay, this is the dashboard. You can register if you're a new user, but I already logged in. Okay, this is my account. This is my workspace. This is the two projects that I've done. This is the one I just showed you recently, Spotless Hungry Crocodile. Okay, so let's create a new project. You see here, you see blank, start building, start from scratch. You see traveler template. There are a lot of templates here. You see Oncon templates, you see Heifer templates, so on and so forth. So let's generate with AI. Note, I will not jump anything or edit anything. We follow its live process. We follow it directly. Okay, let me choose something like marketing agency. Okay, say create a website to showcase marketing services, case studies, and client testimonials. Okay, so let's generate websites. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait till it loads. Note, when it reaches to this point, don't close this. Wait until all these things are loaded, all these things ticks good, so that you don't start afresh. Okay, it's already done. Let's go to page. Okay, this is the stunning website that we've just created within a minute, within a few seconds. Okay, you see here, you see home, you see services, you see case studies, you see testimonials, contact, see action one, action two, see learn more. Go for, you see contact us, email, phone, office, and you see email, subscribe to our newsletter. You see this. Okay, all these things can be customized, like you can edit all of them one by one. And this is media frame. If you are a programmer, it's an addition. If you're a web developer, if you have that knowledge of coding, it's an addition to you. Okay, this for for tab, this for mobile phone. Okay, this for mobile phone landscape, and this for PC. Okay, that are called media queries. Okay, let's edit it. You see home. When you click on this home, you see link, this place. You click on it. There you can add your links, and then click on setup. You can add link one, something like, I don't know. Let me just say HTTPS. Okay, no, home is normally like this. So you just click on link two, services. Then you say services. You say HTTPS is to, okay, let's say services. Let's just leave it like that. But note that these things you write here now should be written with you should have a website or another site which this thing should link to. So these are different things that you have to create another site, or you have another site that you link all these things to, both home services you can link it to another site that you've registered to, case studies, testimonies. You can remove it, or you can remove this contact. You have your contact details, then this is the home. Okay, so let's remove this and go back to home. Okay, so that's that for it. So you can see here, you can see text, you can see layout. So this all of this you see, can see contact here. You can see features, you can see footer, you can see hero, you can see the navbar 4. Okay, so let's just go back to this. Let's just go back to the home. So you know this, you can customize every one of them, both the big images and everything. You can change where it is, you can drag and drop and change the direction. Okay, you can also change everything here is editable. Okay, so let's go to publish. Let's go to publish, click on public. Okay, okay, let's click on publish. Okay, now you see, sorry, now you can see your domain name. That's your domain name. I know it's totally free. If it's free, but it's not totally free. Meanwhile, if you want to add a custom domain, which is your own personal domain name, you can use here, which is upgrade. You can upgrade to pro to be able to use your own personal domain name to link it with your site. But with this now, you can also change this, because I don't like something like Wari Studio Seahorse. Okay, let me just use something like Ion Bytes. Ion Bytes, okay. Ion Bytes dot teleport. But this thing will not cannot be changed. Dot teleport HQ dot app. It cannot be changed. So as let me just leave it like as Ion Bytes. Let me continue to continue and publish. Okay, so it's already loading. So this is the first thing and the first AI tool for creating websites. And this is very simple, very fast without coding. But if you need to edit the code, this is it here. Although I've already used one of my one of the free plan. Okay, one of these is 10, but I have used one, so you can view another code. Okay, so these are the codes. As a programmer, you understand this and you can edit it to your own taste. Okay, that's that for this. Okay, that's it. So let's click on publish. Okay, you can see here publish in progress. Let's wait for it. Okay, published. Okay, let's copy this link, and then this is the password. And why this one is not good is that for you to remove this authentication in the website, you need to upgrade to pro. So let me show you what it actually means. So let's paste the site here. Okay, you see it here. See very visitor password. You need to authentication required. So let's go back to that. Okay, let's copy the password. Come to this place. Let's paste it. Okay, login. Okay, this is our site, the site we just created. So this is very simple, very cheap. Someone, whether you have a knowledge of coding or not, you can do it. You see all of them. When I hover over them, it shows there is a site. Okay, so testimonials, contact, but there is nothing that we've linked to this contact, testimonials, case studies, services, and home. We haven't linked anything to it yet. So this is for phone, this for fees, this for email. Okay, that's that for teleports. Okay, let's go to another tool, which is renderforest.com. Okay, this is it. Okay, maybe next time I will do a tutorial about this. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share to your friends, and thanks for watching.